Ever wondered how your globe-trotting habits affect Mother Earth? Travel, while enriching our lives with new experiences and cultures, leaves a significant mark on our planet. Each plane journey contributes to a growing carbon footprint, while our waste, often discarded thoughtlessly, adds to pollution levels. Then there's over-tourism. The sheer volume of visitors can stress delicate ecosystems, causing irreparable harm. Yet, there's a silver lining in the form of sustainable travel. This is a growing movement that encourages us to tread lightly, preserving the beauty and health of the planet while still quenching our wanderlust. Now, you might be thinking, what can I do to travel sustainably? Well, stick around. We have some tips for you. Ready to make a difference? Here are some practical tips for sustainable travel. First off, choose eco-friendly accommodation. Opt for green hotels or guest houses that prioritize sustainability using renewable energy or recycling water. Not only are these places often more unique, but you'll also be supporting businesses that are doing their part for the environment. Next, consider your mode of transportation. Whenever possible, use public transit, or better yet, walk. These options not only reduce your carbon footprint, but they also allow you to soak up your surroundings and engage with the local community. Speaking of locals, always respect their cultures and environments. Remember, you're a guest in their home. So behave as you would like a guest in your own home to behave. Now, let's talk about waste. Avoid single-use plastics like the plague. Carry a reusable water bottle, shopping bag, and utensils. It's a small change that makes a big difference. When it comes to flying, choose direct flights. They produce less carbon emissions than flights with multiple layovers. Another tip is to support local economies. Shop at local markets, eat at local restaurants, and use local guides. This not only gives you a more authentic experience, but also helps sustain the local community. Lastly, be mindful of wildlife interactions. Stick to observing animals in their natural habitats and avoid attractions that exploit them. Implementing these tips won't just help preserve the environment, but also enhance your travel experience. Taking these steps might seem small, but remember, little drops make a mighty ocean. Just imagine if every globetrotter, every wanderer, every traveler made the conscious effort to adopt sustainable practices, the collective impact would be astronomical. We'd see significantly reduced pollution. Our beautiful natural landscapes would flourish, and our diverse cultural heritage would be preserved for future generations. But the positive changes don't stop there. By choosing to travel sustainably, we're directly contributing to local economies, supporting small businesses, and promoting ethical trade. We're empowering communities and protecting our stunning, yet fragile, planet. So, on your next trip, why not travel sustainably? Make a difference, not just for you, but for the world. Because every journey counts.